Hello friends, today is July 24th and we have an exciting update for you in Hamster Combat. In today's episode, we're diving into the new CIPHER code for Hamster Combat, sharing a trick for the minigame solution, and covering the daily combo cards. Plus, we'll go over some very important updates you won't want to miss. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You'll get the fastest updates here daily, so you won't need to look anywhere else for your Hamster Combat news. Also, we've created a Telegram channel for all updates, big and small. The link is in the description below, so make sure to join us there too. Remember, all giveaway details will be shared exclusively on our Telegram channel. Let's start with today's CIPHER code named HODL. Here's how you crack it. When I say tap, simply tap and release. When I say hold for 2 seconds and then release. First, for H, tap 4 times. Next, for O, hold 3 times. Then for D, hold once and tap twice. Finally, for L, tap once, hold once, and tap twice. And there you have it. Our code is cracked and we've earned 1 million SQN. You can crack this code quickly too. Next, let's move on to the minigame solution. Successful completion of the minigame increases your chances of getting an airdrop, so make sure to complete it. Step-by-step images of the minigame will be available on our Telegram channel. Now on to the daily combo cards. Today's combos are critical for maximizing your rewards and gameplay efficiency. Let's dive into them. Number 1 is the Hamster YouTube channel card, which is available in the special tab. In my case, the cost of this card is 2.49 million. If all cards cost less than 5 to 5.5 million, I'll play, otherwise I'll leave it. The second card is Bitcoin Pizza Day, and its cost is approximately 725k. The third and final card is Minigame, which you can find in the PR team section. In my case, this card is locked and I need to level up my GameFi token to level 17. Currently, my GameFi token is at level 14 and worth 166k coins. Let's upgrade it to level 17. Alright, my GameFi token is now at level 17. Let's head back to the PR tab and purchase the minigame card, which costs 40k. Hooray. We've successfully claimed 5 million coins. Let's dive into the latest Hamster Combat updates from the past 24 hours. Stay tuned for all the exciting news and developments. Leader of Russian State Duma's Financial Market Committee labels Hamster Combat a scam and calls for its termination. Hamster Combat's 250 million players targeted in malware attacks. According to CoinSpeaker, Telegram eyes 1 billion users as Hamster Combat soars. According to Decrypto.org, Hamster Combat's owner's identity has been revealed: Russian entrepreneur Eduard Gurnovich. Stay tuned because we have some very important updates coming up. New keys are being unlocked and more puzzles are on their way. I'll update you as soon as that happens. For all the latest updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and join our Telegram channel with the link in the description below. Remember, all giveaway details will be shared exclusively on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!